Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap New Jersey local and long-distance movers near me. If you're looking for top-rated cheap New Jersey local and long-distance movers in the moving industry, look no further than 3 Movers. We offer professional moving services and storage solutions to make your move as stress-free as possible. We're a full-service moving company that can handle everything from packing services and packing supplies to loading to transportation. We also offer corporate relocation services for businesses. Whether you're moving across town or across the country, we can help make your upcoming move a success. Contact us today for a free quote. Serving in more than 130 cities in New Jersey, 3 Movers knows the streets in the Garden State. Navigating through neighborhoods is an easy feat for our movers. Our residential move services has the best deals for packaging, moving, storing, and shipping your items in and out of the state of New Jersey. Your new home awaits you. Hire a mover that can do the job fast. Get this service and more for cheap moving rates. Relax on your moving day with a moving company that knows your needs. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our New Jersey moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.